Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday where I answer some of you guys' questions that I get quite often. And one of them that I get probably the most of all is, why don't I use contact paper stencils anymore versus stencil material that I've been using in a lot of my tutorials lately? And honestly, the biggest reason is time, because contact paper stencils, as much as I love them, they do take a little bit more time to apply. It is very much more cost effective to use contact paper stencils if you have the time to do it. They still work great. I still really like to use them. They work great for stenciling on fabric and canvas and things like that where you can't use a top carrier sheet, so I still use contact paper stencils in some instances. However, with my wood signs a lot lately, I have been using what's called Oramask. It's by Oracle, which is the vinyl that I like to use as well. It's more of a plastic type stencil material. What I do like about the Oramask is that it goes on much more quickly. You do have to use a carrier sheet to apply it, which is why it is quicker to apply. What I do not like so much about it is it doesn't necessarily come off in one piece. It likes to tear and rip, and it's a little bit more brittle, so it actually does take longer to remove, whereas the contact paper stencil comes off all at once. So do I still use contact paper stencils? Yes, and I actually just used it recently on a kitchen towel tutorial that I showed you guys. However, if you see me making wood signs, most likely I will be using the Oramask. So I hope that that answered you guys' questions. If you have any more questions for me, leave them in the comments below. Maybe I'll feature you in an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. I hope that this video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.